A.O.G.
YouTube, what is good, man? So we got another one of these tutorials on it's gonna be another one of these mid taping. Right now basically what I'm doing is getting my first guideline set up, and once I set up that guideline, I'm gonna go ahead and work my way all the way to the back. I pretty much saturized the hair with water. What I'm doing is drying it up now, and I'm gonna go ahead and start my first guideline. And once I start my first guideline, I'm going to go ahead and clear out the bulk. I believe with a number 2 there, what I'm working with. I'm using a number 2 actually, so I can remove excessive amounts of bulk there on that area, so I can just have the idea where I'm going to go ahead and start, man. It's all a process, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm starting off right now with the clipper over comb, just to go ahead and get the design going and get that on the basics going. And definitely gonna be one of those short videos, man, but definitely we're gonna get through it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and start my first guideline on the left side now. I'm gonna go ahead and work my way through there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and work on the C cup area, preset it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and work my way through the ear section. I'm gonna go ahead and come in with a half guard, using the corners, so I can go ahead and remove the first guideline that I'm working with. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and come in with a half. The half guard is definitely going to go ahead and start removing from the 2 that I used earlier to take off excessive bulk. Once I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and do lever play as needed. Now I'm going to go ahead and come in with an open and work that bottom and slightly close it as I continue to fade down. Then I'm going to go ahead and come in with a 1. Once I come in with the 1, I'm going to come in open and slightly closing it as I continue to use fade down technique on there. And, little by little, man, removing whatever little dark spots that I see. Then I'm going to go ahead and come back with open guard and look to see if I see any other dark spots that I may have missed. And go ahead and gradually, slowly close it down. Brush it off and come right on back with the slim lines and get that line looking at least decent and a little more crispier. Slim lines, man, it's probably old school, man, but tell you what, man, them little things work, man, they hitters. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just redo my line again and continue that process, man, and go ahead and remove any line that I may have seen or anything, and just go from there. And then I'm going to go ahead and come back with a number 2. Once I come back with a number 2, I'm going to go ahead and remove the excessive bulk around the ear area. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the right side. I'm going to go ahead and come in with a half guard. And I'm going to go ahead and start using the corners on that so I can go ahead and remove any dark spots that I do see. Then I'm going to go ahead and come right back to the left side. I think I've seen some more darker spots that I need to remove. Now we're going to go ahead and go through to the back, start off our guideline there. Once I start my guideline there, I'm going to go ahead and remove any of the hairs and stuff and go from here. Then I'm going to go ahead and work with a number 2. Go ahead and remove the excessive bulk on that area. And little by little, man, just taking my little process time here, but then I'm working with the half guard right now in the corner, removing the excessive darkest spots that I see on there. And that's the process of fading, man. It just keeps going and going and going.